In the ancient world, war was not just fought with weapons. It was fought with ideas. Most armies believed victory belonged to the strongest, the angriest, the loudest. Rushed into battle driven by fear, pride, and rage. But one civilization saw war differently. Rome understood that chaos loses battles and order wins them. Every Roman soldier was trained the same way, moved the same way, fought as part of something larger than himself, not heroes, components. While enemies charged wildly, Rome marched in silence, shields locked together, lines unbroken, every step measured. When arrows fell, Rome became a wall. When enemies advanced, Rome became a machine. This was the Roman war system. Discipline over emotion, formation over strength, command over chaos. A single soldier could fall. The system could not. That is why Rome defeated larger armies, fiercer warriors, entire civilizations. Because Rome did not rely on courage alone, it relied on structure. And that lesson still survives today. In war, in leadership, in life, Rome didn't win by strength. It won by structure.